Well, what's going on, guys? Met Every Lethal Garage, and today I'm doing something I said I wouldn't do in this truck. And that's because I have a two-wheel drive truck, 1500, with a lift kit, with mud tires for the most part. Or I believe they're the RTs, Toyo Open Country RTs, not the ATs. I used to have the ATs, but now I have the RTs. And it's been raining for off and on for 5 days, well, 4 days straight, but then there was a day of no rain, but there was rain before. And today we're gonna go play in the mud. Yeah, so I got all sorts of gear, cameras, everything. It's getting dark because it's literally still raining. And I got a 4x4 Ram Rebel headed out with me. If you guys don't know Mike at Red Barn Racing, and then also his wife's 4x4 Jeep. So I got tow straps on the back of my truck because it's gonna be wet, and yeah, two-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get stuck today. So let's see how muddy and what kind of scenarios we can get ourselves into. Let's do it. They're cheering me on. Hey, should I go through in a lower gear or just whatever gear it wants?
Oh yeah, just let it eat.
Okay, this is a big mud hole, a four-wheel drive Jeep. Barely got through it. Yeah. Oh gosh, she bogged down there. I thought the motor was gonna die. Oh, that was bad. They made it through. That was nerve-wracking. That motor bogged down. I thought I was gonna get stuck. Oh well, carry on. Don't get stuck, Jessica. I can't make it through if you get stuck. Shit. So yeah, trucks are getting nice and dirty. This truck is, oh god, yeah, you got some light. You got 2 eyeballs on your LED bar. his fan's eating something. Truck's getting nice and he's got some cake action. A little bit cake, a little bit. And the Jeep, oh god, the Jeep's just, it's like whatever. Candy bars. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Jessica is queen of mud. I think she just had stress relief happen. Yeah. Tonneau cover. Until I get to work. Properly mudded. I wonder what the top of my truck looks like. That's the only thing that hasn't gotten rinsed off. I noticed surprisingly your truck is very clean. I know. I can't. I'll have to see once the video's edited how muddy that is, but. The back of the truck, it's not too bad. I swear I went through lots of deep stuff. I made the mistake of riding high on the berm, and so this side of my truck went into the divot and like the water was up at like door level. I did hit a nice big puddle though. Meh. We'll see what the engine looks like. What do you think, Keith? Good times? It's good times. Let's I think we're just gonna try to get through. Oh god, more lights are turning on the light bar. Now you got 4.
Is it really?
Yes.
I think it may have got the relay.
The relay may have got soaked. So it's really not that bright, just those 4 little LEDs flashing. Oh god. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you can't push your fog light from out here. No. You need to set up a relay for that.
I don't know what's going on with that. I think the relay maybe went.
Yeah, we went through some puddles.
Maybe.
So the river, we're definitely not going through the river.
No, we don't have enough equipment for that. Yeah. don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, so I've come to the realization I can't do donuts, but definitely got the truck muddy. I'd say we got a little bit of mud, a little bit. And this guy in his Jeep, he's worried on where the drop-off is from the flowing water. He's made it pretty far without sinking too much. And I'm assuming it's gonna be the deepest coming here and just, oh, see, now he's digging in. What is he doing? Oh God. Oh, it's not as bad as it looked. Oh, it's getting pretty deep over there.
He got through.
He made it. Oh, that just gave your dad confidence. This is bad. This is bad.
Yeah, YouTube doesn't like that.
Oh, look, a baby Tacoma. Oh, he thinks he's going through the river.
He's not going through.
Yeah, you're not going through there, little baby Tacoma.
Oh, that's good. I laugh because I know how big the smile on her face is right now.
Yes! Okay guys, I think it's time for a light bar for the two-wheel drive non-off-road truck that went off-roading today. Are you happy, Mike? Are you happy?
Are you happy?
It was fun, but I was worried I was gonna get stuck.
Hey, we're always worried. That's why we're all three out here.
That's I don't think she's gonna stop.
Not until it usually breaks.
Yes, Jeep life. Oh, I need zoom right now.
No, he's going.
This Tacoma, dude, he's going for it. He's getting stuck.
Should I put the lights on him?
Oh no.
Hey, as long as he stays above the air filter, he's going to be just fine.
He stopped.
Oh, God, no. Oh, he's probably four-wheel drive, so that's it. You watch that. Oh, it died.
Pull up to the side
It
and
died. Oh, God, it died.
No, I hear the tires spinning.
I thought that was the starter motor. Oh,
no, there's parts in there. Where
I just
if
want to
you
highlight,
stop, it just sinks.
I honestly think he's trying to get new tires.
He probably is.
He told me the other day, it's time I get new tires.
Bigger tires.
Well, the Jeep guy's there helping him.
I smell
Now he's four-wheel drive. Uh-oh, his bottom light bar's got like a strip that's like not happy.
Mine was better.
Well, it's getting super dark. I guess I could stand where there might be some light, but whatever. Yeah, off-roading trip, lethal truck. It's pretty cool, first time ever. And yeah, learning new things in a two-wheel drive. Yeah, don't take a two-wheel drive off-roading unless you're with four-wheel drive people that can pull you out. That's what I learned today. So yeah, that's that. Until next time, guys. See you on the road.